How to enable sensitive content on Telegram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, the regular Telegram app does not have the option to allow and enable the sensitive content. That's why we will be using the Telegram web version. So go ahead and open up any browser you have. And once you do that, search for Telegram. Then you will see in the result here, it says Telegram web. So let's open it. And it might ask you to log in. So go ahead and do that. If it did, I have already logged in. So once you open your Telegram here, you need to click on these three lines at the top left corner, and from there click on settings. And here you need to scroll down and click on privacy and security, and also scroll down till you find this section that says sensitive content, in which you will find an option that says disable filtering, and it's turned on. So what you need to do is you need to uncheck the box to turn off this option, and by doing that you have just enabled the sensitive content on Telegram. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can allow sensitive content on Telegram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.